There was a point of time in my life I felt really disconnected with the city. I felt there was not much it was giving me back. And in fact, I had a conversation with my children as well. Should we move off to some farm, to some place where we can just be and y'all can do online school and all of that. And there was a huge resistance, of course, from them. But deep somewhere, I did feel like something needs to be done about it, It was something that I wanted to go and attain. That's when Organo was introduced to me, and I think it's a perfect marriage between living in the urban setup as well as getting the best of the rural living. I don't see myself creating and establishing a farm and then looking after everything. I think when a team of experts is doing it for you, that's the best option to go for. So this whole concept of being close to the nature was really not a concept for me. Every time we would go to my grandmom's village, which is my mom's mom, it's a daily conversation, whether the milk coming from the farm or eating the food that was grown from there. It was embedded, I think, at a very early stage in all our lives. And my grandmom would have this, one place of sanctity where she would grow all her plants. It was right in the middle of the home, If you know those village homes, there's a whole courtyard. The courtyard was full of flowers, and that's where she would grow her flowers for the god. So these are the kind of things I grew up with. I still get my rice from my village. My uncle still sends it to us. So yeah, so I think it's very innate to want to be close to nature for us. So for me today, to move to living around nature is not just a concept. It's something that came to me from my parents, from my grandparents, from our holidays, from all the memories. So I think I would really like to create that for my children as well. So for example, when we used to go for holidays during our childhood, there would be unlimited time to play. All we had to do is come back and eat on time, that's all, And there were no restrictions, there was no curfew to come back home or anything like that. Everything felt safe. Everybody felt safe to speak to relate to connect with. Yes, I really would like my children to get at least 1/4 of what I had in my childhood. So when I walked into Nandi 7 years ago, I was just introduced to it. We just went for a drive and went and see it. And what I heard and the vision that they were trying to show me was just out of the world, and I thought it was, can they even pull it off? It was a serious set of doubts that I had. And today, 5 years later, I just think it's a living community and people are happy there, and I've had the opportunity to go stay there recently, and it's just fantastic. It's such a privilege to be able to depend on a team of people who sort of pulled it off with their perseverance and constant research. It's just super, and I think I'm grateful that I'm a part of that community. It just felt like I step in, and the quiet, the silence, the environment it has to offer, it just brings me back to a standstill, which I definitely don't have back home, midst of traffic and whatnot. So, and I really think it's a great place to create from. So I just didn't want to lose out on the opportunity of getting myself a place in Antaram, Organo. And what can be better than you just wake up, you get the fresh food at your doorstep, you get fresh milk with absolutely no effort from my side. I love waking up to to birds chirping, to people just cheerfully working in fields. It was such a sight last weekend when I was there. So I'm so happy to be a part of the new project, and I just can't wait to get my hands on the keys. Antaram will be a good fit for my children in terms of giving them the best of both worlds. When they need it, they can just come back to the city. And while we are there, I think being close to nature is going to be really good for them in terms of connecting with themselves. When you're sort of living midst of nature, midst of noiselessness, where they can hear themselves, they can connect with themselves better. And when they see this fresh produce coming every day from the farms, I think these are sights that I will never be able to provide for them, because I can't recreate the village scene that I grew up in for them today. And this is the closest I can get to that. I think the design and the aesthetic sense of the living space in Organo is excellent. As much as it's, we think that it's a village community and they're trying to recreate that. I think it's very modern and new age and very relatable, very simple, compact. It's really nice. I like that. And I like the fact that we can get fresh green leaf vegetables every day, all kinds of vegetables that come in. And the kitchen that sort of churns out this freshly cooked food with organic vegetables, it just tastes so good. Basically, I'm a yoga therapist who's been working with people for some time now, for 7 or 8 years. And one fine day, I just felt, but no, something else is missing, So yes, I think my main purpose in life is to sort of teach people how to make better choices. And then, one fine day, I was like, no, I think I can do something like this through Earthlove, a platform where I can reach larger audience for them to make better choices, especially, where retail is a huge thing in India right now. And for me to be able to show better choices to people is something that I really want to do currently. So Earthlove is about that. It's an online shopping platform with all consciously made products. It's a huge, significant step for my self-expression. I think I want to head towards slow living. I want to head towards, making practical living sustainable in some way and teach people how to do that while I'm still teaching myself. Antaram is completely a reflection of where I'm headed, and I feel completely at home with it.